Watch closely. The driver of the Honda failed to keep to the right, creating a dangerous situation that quickly escalated into a dramatic crash. But that's not the whole story. The biker also made a risky decision by not leaving enough space between himself and the car in front. That small lapse put him directly in harm's way. Let's break it down with the drive-by scorecard. Honda driver made a risky decision which escalated into a critical error. By not keeping to the right, the Honda driver created the condition that caused the crash. Biker also made a risky decision by failing to maintain a safe following distance. This meant he couldn't react in time, and he got caught in the accident. Looking at the unavoidability scale, this accident was easily avoidable. With just a little more awareness and defensive driving from either party, it could have been prevented. The bigger question is, why didn't either driver slow down or stop, realizing the road was narrow? The lesson here is clear. Right-of-way doesn't save you from accidents. Defensive driving is about identifying developing hazards, predicting potential risks, and taking action to prevent accidents before they happen. What would you have done in this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments. Drive by. Real drivers, real mistakes, real lessons.